As said, the first step of this entire chain will be setting up Auth0 for what we have just explained. We'll start with the creation of an Auth0 account, and we will then register our application with Auth0, so that, amongst others, it knows where to redirect back after a successful login. As I said in the slides, we are going to use Auth0 as identity provider. It'll give us an easy way to set up authentication in our application, as we'll see in this demo. First, we need to set up an account with Auth0, and as said, that you can do for free for up to 7,000 users in your application. So even with the free plan, you can already do a lot, even for commercial applications. First, head over to auth0.com and create an account. I'm going to assume that you can do that yourself. So I'll see you on the other side. I've used my Gmail account, and that will then have access by default to the application later. When going through the registration wizard, you'll get to choose a tenant domain too, and that will need to be unique. You can also choose what region you want your data to be stored in. Once you're logged in, head over to the Applications section, and in there, we can click on Create Application. In the dialog that appears, we will first enter the name of the application, that we can of course choose. I'll enter here Bethany Spy Shop HRM. Then, in the application type, select Single Page Application. That's exactly what our Blazor application is, an app, a spa that runs in the client's browser. Other spa frameworks include Angular and React. Finally, we'll click on Create. With the app created, click on Settings here, and there we'll need to copy both the domain and the client ID for later. So put these for now in your notepad, and we'll come to these when we're working on the application itself in the upcoming demos. Next, head over to the Application URIs section, and in the Allowed Callback URLs, enter the URI of the application running on your machine. On mine, that is HTTPS localhost 7039, and then suffix that with /authentication/login-callback. This is used so that Auth0 knows where to call back after the authentication. In the Allowed Logout URLs field, enter HTTPS localhost 7039. This is used to redirect to after logging out. Finally, hit Save Changes and make sure your settings are correctly saved. With this done, the application is configured on Auth0's side of things.